advisory remains in effect until 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Monday. What? Snow. Additional snow accumulations of 5 to 10 inches. Where? Wasatch Mountain south of I-80. When? Until 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Monday. Impacts. Plan on snowpack road conditions. Additional details. Snow will continue heavy at times through tonight and into Monday morning. Slow down and use caution while traveling. For graphical depictions of the snowfall forecast, including official National Weather Service forecast, high-end amount, and low-end amount, visit weather.gov/Salt Lake City/winter. For winter road conditions from the Utah Department of Transportation, visit http://www.utah.traffic.utah.gov/roadweatherforecast.aspx or dial 511.